Hi everyone, my name is Luis Ramirez, and today we're going to look at our SPSS and interpret or analyze our z-scores for the data set that we have here. Look at this data set. We could rename this variable by going here, and we'll say that one is going to be, just put scores for that. We will rename that. Excellent. And we'll just go back to our screen, and here we have it. It is now renamed, or we have relabeled that to scores. Now let's look for our z-scores for the data set that we've typed in here. We're going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then we're going to go to Descriptives. Here we have our scores. We can bring it over to our variable window, and let's look at some options that we have and see what defaults we have already set up here. We have the mean, the standard deviation, which we do need. The maximum and the minimum we do not need. So we'll just deselect those. We'll go back to our window, and we do want to save the standardized values. That's going to give us our z-scores. Click on OK. And here we have it. The mean for a data set is 38.22277, and we'll just round that down to 38. Our standard deviation is going to be 14.84, and we'll just round that one up to 15. Let's go back to our data set. Now, a z-score has now been assigned to each one of our data sets that we have here. And as you can tell, if you remember, our mean was 38. So any score below 38 is going to have a negative z-score associated with it. In this case, 34, 32, both below 38, negative z-score. 45, 64, we're going to have a positive z-score. Let's go again to Analyze, because I want to get the mean and the standard deviation for our z-scores. Again, we go to Descriptive Statistics, go to Descriptives, and here we have our z-scores. We'll bring that over to the box, and we want to deselect or unclick this Save the standardized values, because we do not want our z-scores again, and we'll click on OK, and here we have it. Our mean for our z-scores is 0. As you can tell, the mean for our scores is still 38.277, the same as we had up here, and our standard deviation now for our z-scores is 1, and the standard deviation again for our scores 14.843. Now, one thing to remember is for z-scores, you'll always have a mean of 0 or very, very close to 0, like 0.00007 possibly. In this case, we have 0. And for our standard deviation, it's always going to give us a 1. And that's how we know we have done the proper data set and value search. And let's go back to our data, and here we have it. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Luis Ramirez.